The Portway Arundel stove offers a timeless blend of classic design and modern functionality. Its clean lines and elegant aesthetic makes the Arundel a perfect addition to any home. Feature-rich and engineered for long-lasting performance, this stove is manufactured with a 5mm robust steel body and premium cast-iron flue collar, door, and internal grate. Its large fuel combustion chamber is designed to optimize heat output and houses a large easy-to-carry ashpan, complemented with modern polished chrome door lever and adjustable aeration controls to provide both style and functionality. With a multifuel stove, you have the option of burning a variety of fuel types, including wood, coal, charcoal, and other smokeless fuels, providing you with convenience and flexibility to suit your personal preference and local regulations. Experience the warmth and efficiency of solid fuel heating. This 5kW stove will effortlessly heat your living space while you enjoy the ambient crackling and glow that comes from a natural log-burning fire. Solid fuel heating offers a sustainable, cost-effective, and aesthetically pleasing way to stay warm and cozy throughout the year.